Welcome back to another episode of How Farms. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing a little tractor maintenance. First thing, let's get a little rundown of the tractor. This is a Kubota L2201. This tractor is the main reason I bought my L2205, or L225, I'm sorry, L225. This is my father-in-law's tractor. I actually used it a good bit before I bought mine, and now to use mine, don't have to bother with his. All right, we got a water pump that's leaking. We got an alternator that doesn't charge, and he believes he saw the radiator leaking itself as well, but we're not real sure. It may have been just the water pump leaking, but he said he saw some water spraying. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this L2201, move it outside, clean all this off, because I do not like to get covered in junk while I'm trying to work and fix something. So we're going to take them outside, pressure wash it off, let it dry, then we'll crank it up, see where it's leaking. All right, let's get my tractor out of the way first. All right, before I get to pressure washing, some of you may have noticed that I'm wearing different sunglasses. Well, that's because Costas suck. Not really, I like their lenses, but their frames are terrible. I've never had a pair of Costas that haven't snapped on the frames somewhere. So mine were still under a year old, so I emailed them. I sent them off, they have them. Hopefully they're gonna fix them and send them back or send me a new pair or something. But just so y'all know, Costas frames rock. I mean, Costas lenses rock. The frames are terrible. So if you want a pair of glasses that are gonna last, don't buy Costas, they're crap. All right, now that it's pressure washed and I'm covered in muck, we're gonna let it dry. Then we'll come back out here once it's dry, crank it up, see where it's leaking. All right, now we got it cleaned off and it's dried off. Let's crank it up. Let's see where it's leaking. This tractor's pretty easy to crank. Hopefully, still got enough juice. There we go. All right, let's take a look. Well, our radiator looks fine. I believe we just got a water pump that needs replaced. Let's get it back in the garage. All right, well, out there we realized the water pump is what's leaking. The radiator doesn't have a hole in it, doesn't seem like. But if you look at me, we got a pretty bad oil leak somewhere. So I believe it's the front main seal. This tractor was leaking probably about a year or so ago when I changed the fluid on the lift. But if it's leaking that bad and it's getting it all over me, we may go through the trouble of fixing it this time. So that'll be it for part one. We've diagnosed the problem, so tomorrow we'll come back and start taking it apart. So until next time, I guess I'll see you guys in the shop.